Banks are going full crypto mode. We have two multi-trillion-dollar banks that go full in on crypto, and it's important to discuss when this cycle is going to end. Is it going to happen in the next couple of months by October, or is it going to be an extended cycle in 2026? We have a lot to discuss. We see some consolidation right now in Bitcoin and in Ethereum, so the markets are taking a breather right now. And I'm also going to discuss something that just launched where you can buy for the first time with a meme coin stocks. So I don't know, like it sounds really crazy. So let's dive right in. It's going to be a short episode today. So Bitcoin is consolidating around $118,000 to $120,000, and the next move to the upside is imminent. We're seeing Ethereum is also consolidating around the area of $3,700. Currently on the day, this dip is being bought up. Ethereum went to $3,600 and is currently being bought up as I speak. And we've seen extended Ethereum rally over here when from $2,500 consolidation period all the way to $3,700. So we are approaching some key resistance levels. Like I said before, this is a time where the market is taking a breather because we either gonna break it over here violently to the upside, and then Ethereum, nothing is gonna stop it to the next level of $5,000 and perhaps this cycle to $10,000. But the next phase will show us like how this week is going to end, because we might see some rejection also, like we've seen multiple times around $3,800 to $3,900 area. So we're seeing, if you look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart reverse, you can see that this chart looks bearish to you, which basically this double top scenario, and this is a reverse chart which shows that basically if this chart drops, then Ethereum will gain more power over Bitcoin. Like it's going to be worth more in terms of the Bitcoin and outperform Bitcoin. This is what is likely to happen because Ethereum to BTC chart has topped like bottom out. This was like 0.018. This has bottomed out and we're back into this channel. So it looks very bullish for Ethereum and for the altcoins. So if you look at the Bitcoin to Ethereum fractal, just like Bitcoin before 2018 to 2020-ish, it broke that line after multiple rejections. Well, similar over here, we have multiple rejections around it, and the next run up after this breakout is gonna be a beautiful one towards the $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for one Ethereum. So if you have been accumulating Ethereum, hold on to it. I mean, you can play a little bit short-term moves and try to time the market, but if you play the long-term moves, then Ethereum is likely to go to the $7,000 next after it breaks successfully this multiple rejections, which at some point is going to happen, even if we will experience some short-term rejection at this resistance level. And now we have PNC, $410 billion bank, partner with Coinbase to offer crypto services. This is huge. It's a big bank, and it's another those bullish news in the series of how the banking industry are offering full crypto services. Now, Multi-Bank, which is a Forex huge group and company and a crypto exchange, just officially launched its own token. It's called MBG, and so far it's looking good. It's trading on Uniswap, on Gate.io, and on MEXC. You can check it out. It's currently trading around $1. Multi-Bank is a huge group which they do Forex about $16 trillion a day in volume. And they also have a crypto exchange. So let's see how high this token is gonna go. We see the US Senate just dropped the first draft of the Bitcoin crypto market structure bill, which brings more clarity in US about everything related to crypto and Responsible Financial Innovation Act, right? We see Ethereum ETFs are exploding. The cumulative flow is hitting all-time high after all-time high. We literally see a lot of the accumulation happening. The Wall Street ETFs buying billions of dollars worth of Ethereum. Everything under $4,000 for Ethereum is cheap. We see Ethereum approaching this top channel, and again, this is something that usually be like at 1,600. When Ethereum hits $1,600, we are just touching this support level on this channel going back to 2022, and now we are almost back to the top of the channel. So good catch if you were able to snatch Ethereum at these low levels. We're seeing Nasdaq listed electric vehicle maker Vulcan just raised $500 million to buy Bitcoin. So another company in the adopting the treasuries. We see billionaire Jack Dorsey explain how Bitcoin will eliminate Visa, Mastercard, and the big banks. So you can watch this video, Bitcoin peer-to-peer money, and he's a big believer in Bitcoin, Maxi, and everything with Bitcoin. We see JPMorgan, a $4.3 trillion bank, planning to offer crypto-backed loans with Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral. So there you go. They're going full in and embracing, fully embracing Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral for loans. It's a gigantic news. Solana is also breaking out over here from this market structure that has been building since February 2025. So we can see Solana going back to the $200 soon. Currently, yeah, it's already trading at $200. Wow, it's looking great. Solana is up 3.6% today, despite Ethereum drop. So Solana catch up to Ethereum in terms of the almost there in terms of the overbought period. And Solana to Ethereum today and yesterday is gaining sharply after a series of days of decline when Ethereum was outperforming Solana. So we are also seeing that this Stonks launch, you can get it on Phantom. It's basically you can buy with this meme coin, you can buy stocks with Stonks. 81% of the supply is locked. I bought a little bit here. The chart looks great. This is a 4-hour chart. If you look a little bit closer into 1-hour chart, this thing is skyrocketing right now. And if you go to their website, you can trade real stocks with Stonks, instant ownership, and partner with Wintermute, Solana Foundation. You can see over here how you can buy Nvidia, connecting your wallet, okay? And if you have Stonks, then you can buy some Nvidia stocks or some other stocks. So that's a very interesting concept. Some Amazon stocks, but you know, let's see how it's gonna play out. Not a financial advice, and you know, it's for me it's a high risk play, but it's a market cap of $4 million right now. What if it's gonna go to $200-300 million market cap? Yeah, and you're able to catch it early. So anyways, this is what I have to share with you guys today in today's episode of today's in crypto show. So bottom line, guys, is the moment of truth for the altcoin season. It is heating up. Ethereum is not even rejected here from this area, but let's see how this is gonna close the day, how today is gonna close. So far it's been absolutely bought up by this dip has been bought up, but the altcoin season is still is here to come in the full fruition. And according to the market cycle, we might see this cycle end in October 2025 for the time period, or because the interest rates has not been cut, there's a lot of money still to be pumped into the liquidity, into the market. So maybe it's going to be a prolonged cycle, and this we're going to rejoice even more. Time will tell We're gonna closely monitor this market, but I wish you all the best in your crypto journey, in your trading journey, and I'm gonna see you in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.